Happy Monday, y'all. I am bringing you a Thredup Rescue Box recap today, and in honor of an upcoming Namebrand Handbag collab, which we'll talk about in a minute, I am going to be recapping my last Namebrand Handbag Thredup Rescue Box that I did. So let's talk about the collab, and then we'll get into the recap. I am also going to be bringing you a clearance on the purses and accessory that did not sell from this Namebrand handbag box, and basically offer you guys rock bottom pricing on those. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be fun. And if you guys like the sales, or you want me to start offering prices on items that I'm unboxing to buy from the video directly, we can do that. So if you're interested in that, make sure to leave a comment below that you are interested in me giving you pricing when I'm unboxing an item, or at least putting it on the screen so that you know what the price is before you email me to claim the item. Okay, so we have a really fun Namebrand handbag collab box unboxing coming on Sunday the 19th. There are going to be 7 of us that are going to be unboxing back to back. I will be offering prices during this video. If I don't have the price when I'm unboxing, I will put it on the screen so that you can buy directly. Kicking us off on Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern, is going to be Deborah at Timeless Jewel by Deborah, followed by Lindsay Clark, Marilyn at Shady NY, Janet and Bryn over at Happy Hour Haulers, followed by Kristen D, then myself, and wrapping us up will be Jamie at AKA The Bag Lady. Those are starting at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we'll be staggering every 30 minutes. We will be setting our videos as premieres so that you can chat with us live while we are unboxing, and we can talk about everybody's box that they got. Now, truth be told, before we get into the recap, I have not had the best luck with these boxes. So I will say that I feel like my last box was one of the better ones I've gotten. So I'm hoping that maybe they're getting a little bit better. At least let's give us some bags in good condition, right? So let's get into the box. Now, the Namebrand Handbag Rescue Box from Thredup contains 3 bags and 1 accessory, which is usually like a wallet or a wristlet or something like that. So my first item that was in the box, and the box is $100 plus tax plus shipping. I think when I had this box, I don't think I paid shipping on it. So if I'm correct on that, it was just the $100 plus tax. Okay, so the first item that I unboxed, and I will put this unboxing above if you didn't watch it and you want to go back and watch it, was this Coach wristlet / wallet. It could be either one. It's got the wristlet strap on it. And this wallet, although it does have some wear, which I will show you, is actually in really good condition. Now, for the purposes of the recap, I am holding this in my hand, so it hasn't sold. So that is a 0 for the purposes of the recap. But this wallet is actually in really good shape. There is some slight wear here on the corner where you have some color loss. I did not recolor or retouch these at all. There is a little bit of wear right here on the wristlet strap. And then I also noticed a little bit of maybe like rub wear or dirty right here. Other than that, it's in great shape. I'm going to show you the inside. Now the wallet measures 7.5 inches this way and 4 inches this way. You've got a top zip. Open it up. Look how clean that is, especially for a wallet. Okay, you've got 1 bill compartment on this side, and then you've got another bill compartment over here. You have spots for all of your cards, and then right here is where it says Coach on the inside. Now, the only other issue, if you will, that I could find with this wallet was on this back part. The zipper works fine for the coin slot. On the inside of the coin slot, there's a little bit of dirty or transfer wear from the hardware itself. But other than that, besides a little bit of dust, like it's pretty clean. So this one I have listed in my Poshmark closet for $25. I am going to offer it up to subscribers for $12 plus $5 shipping. If anyone is interested, all you have to do to claim any of these items is to email me at stinaresells@gmail.com. And I will let you know if you were the first one to email if you got the item, and then I will invoice you through PayPal. Otherwise, you can check my Poshmark closet, which I have linked below, or my eBay store. They're also listed in there. They will not be as cheap as I'm offering direct through the video though. Okay, the next item that was in the box did sell, sold to a subscriber directly who had emailed me about the bag. It was a vintage Dooney and Burke shoulder bag, like kind of the old time crossbody, if you will. The bag definitely had some wear to it. It needed to be cleaned on the exterior because it was that beige color and tan. And then the strap had cracking kind of all along the strap. So it needed to be heavily conditioned, and then either you could carry it like that or you'd have to get it fixed. So I sold that directly to a subscriber. I hope she's enjoying it. She was going to work on rehabbing it for $20. So that was a great sale. The next item that was in the box was this Michael Kors crossbody / shoulder bag. This is the Hamilton. When I first unboxed this, I was a little concerned with all of this like wear, and I wasn't sure if it was intentional, but it is. This is how the bag is supposed to look. It's like a, I didn't even know I had this ring on. I was like, oh, I put that on. Okay. It's like a distressed looking suede. So this is a camel or tan colored suede. The bag overall is in good shape. The issues that we have is we have a lot of wear to the hardware. You can see some gold tone loss here and throughout just from use. This does come with the key inside here. However, this lock has no keyhole that I could find. So you can't actually unlock it from what I can tell. But it has your MK for Michael Kors. This bag measures 9 inches, okay, this way, 11 inches this way, and then 2 inches is kind of what I estimate out like across the bottom. I will show you the back, just this distressed look of the suede. And then you do have a convertible strap. So you can carry this, see, Thredup authenticated this. You can carry this as a crossbody, or you can use the latch to carry it as a, you can thread this through this other hoop and carry it as a shoulder bag. So you have 2 options there. You can see a little bit of thread coming off there. In the front, you have a magnetic snap pocket with the logo interior, very clean on this exterior pocket. And then in the main bag, it is zipper. There's a little bit of wear to the metal on the zipper. And you can see here, you've got a zippered pocket. And then you have 2 slip pockets here. There is your Michael Kors tag. And then you have 2 more slip pockets here. The interior, you can see, is very clean. So that part is great. So like I said, really the only issue with this bag is the wear to the hardware. Otherwise, the suede is in great condition and it's very clean on the inside. So this I had originally listed for $60. So I've dropped the price down in my Poshmark closet to $45 if you wanted to purchase through Poshmark. If you would like to purchase through me directly, I will do this bag for $30 plus priority mail ship. So I'm guesstimating between $10 or $12. But I can give you a quote once you give me your address. Okay, the last item that was in that box was also a Michael Kors, but this is the full-on Michael Kors. Look how beautiful this bag is. I love this bag. I think it's great. It's huge. This one is called the Jet Set, and it's in this beautiful, beautiful navy leather. As far as issues to this bag, there's not many. The front exterior leather is in great condition. The bottom is in awesome shape. Same with the back, in great condition. This needs to be laid down. Okay, it's bent up a little bit. The interior, I'm out of stuffing because I did all my shipping this morning. I had a lot of packages, so I'd use air pockets. Look how clean the interior is. It's in great shape. You've got the 2 slip pockets here. And then on this side, you have like an organizational area. You've got the zipper pocket, 2 slip pockets, and then you have this little latch if you want to attach your keys. And then you've got your tag here. And this one is Michael Kors. Okay, Michael Kors, just kidding. Then this interior pocket is actually padded. So you can put a laptop or a large like iPad in here. So this is great for travel. The only issue with this bag is right here, there is a small amount of scuffing. I have not tried to clean that up or get it off. I did notice that when I did some looking around for comps, there is supposed to be a like dangle here with the MK. That is missing. And there is some issue with the edge coat on this one. So it's cracked there and then cracked here, and you can see some kind of strings coming up. So there's some edge coat missing here. Personally, I don't think that's a big deal, but you need to know what you're buying. You can see that edge coat missing there and kind of those strings coming up. But that is the only issue with this bag. This bag is 15 inches across, okay? And then 11 up, and then 5.5 like across the bottom. If you are interested in this bag retails for $398. I had it listed on Poshmark for $100. I have dropped that down to $80 if you wanted to buy it through my Poshmark closet. Or if you want to buy it through me directly, I will do it for $50 plus ship, which, like I said, it'll have to be priority mail. I'm guessing around $12, depending on where you live. So if you're interested in any of these bags, make sure to email me at stinaresells@gmail.com. So to finalize the recap, I'm at a loss of $80 on this box. I sold one bag for $20 directly to a subscriber. And when you subtract the cost of the box, I'm at a negative $80. Like I said, I haven't had the best luck with these boxes. I'm hoping, although these bags are in pretty decent shape, they just haven't moved for me. I'm hoping that my box that I open on Sunday is awesome. I hope you will join us for that collab. I will be doing 2 more unboxings later this week. I'm going to be opening a mixed jewelry box tomorrow. And then on Thursday, another designer box. So I hope that you will join me then. Let me know in the comments, like I said, if you would enjoy me including pricing on the items that I'm unboxing. And if you enjoy these kind of sales, I can always do dedicated kind of clearance sales during recaps and in my regular unboxings offering the pricing. Let me know. If you're not subscribed, please do. And make sure to leave me a thumbs up on your way out. See you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.